Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make cabbage fufu. This method ensures a perfect, smooth texture every time. We'll start by gathering our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 medium head of green cabbage, approximately 2 pounds, along with 1. Now, let's get our cabbage ready. First, thoroughly wash your medium head of green cabbage and then roughly chop it into manageable pieces. Next, steam the chopped cabbage until it becomes very tender, which usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. It's crucial to drain any excess water completely after steaming to prevent a watery fufu. Finally, let the steamed cabbage cool down for a few minutes before moving on to the next step. This is where the magic happens for that signature fufu texture. Carefully transfer all of your cooled, steamed cabbage into a powerful high-speed blender. Now, add the 1/2 cup of psyllium husk powder directly into the blender with the cabbage. Then, incorporate the 1/4 cup of coconut flour. Blend these ingredients together until the mixture is incredibly smooth and completely uniform, with no visible lumps remaining. This step is vital for achieving the desired consistency. Almost there, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large, non-stick pan over medium heat. Once the oil is shimmering, add your blended cabbage fufu mixture to the pan. Stir constantly with a sturdy spoon or spatula for about 5 to 7 minutes. You'll notice it thickening and forming a cohesive ball. This cooking process helps develop its final texture. Serve your warm, perfectly formed cabbage fufu immediately alongside your favorite flavorful soup or stew. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.